Hello folks, welcome to MindTech channel. Today we are going to see installation of MailSpring email client. There are a couple of email clients already available in Ubuntu, such as Thunderbird, which comes packaged with Ubuntu installation, and Geary, which is available in Ubuntu Software Center. However, MailSpring has clean and intuitive UI and it is packed up with lot of features. So let's get started. Let's open Ubuntu Software Center through Show Applications menu. Search for MailSpring. Select MailSpring in the list of results. Click on Install. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes to install. MailSpring client is now installed. You can change the permissions or keep them as default. Now let's take a look at how to set up MailSpring email client. For that, first let's open MailSpring through Show Applications menu. Click on Get Started. Keep clicking on Next until you hit the screen that asks you to register your MailSpring account. To create a MailSpring ID, you need to provide your first name, last name, email ID, and password of your choice. Since I already have a MailSpring ID, I'll go ahead with that option. I'll just type in my email ID and password. One thing I want to note here is your MailSpring account ID password and Gmail password need not be the same. Click on Sign In. Since I have provided Gmail ID, I'll go for a Gmail account setup. Choose your Gmail account to authenticate with Gmail service. Choose the type of layout you want. And click on Looks Good. Click on Finish Setup. As you can see, MailSpring is getting ready to populate your Gmail. It will take some time to populate your mailbox and other folders. That's all for today, folks. If you found this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe to this channel. And do not forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications for my future videos.